Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to open comments on your YouTube channel. I'm now inside my YouTube Studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to arrive at this page, simply go to studio.youtube.com. After landing on this page, just go to the comments tab, and as you can see, this is your comment on your channel. If you don't see any comment on this page, and you think that you might have comments turned off on your channel, just go to settings, then click on community, defaults, and make sure that your comments on your channel are turned on. If this is off, make sure to turn it on, and after that you will start receiving comments. Sometimes even with comments turned on a channel level, you might have selected turn it off on a video level. To open the comments on your video level, just close this window, go to content, click on this little pen next to your video thumbnail, and scroll down to the bottom, and below comments and rating, make sure that on is selected. And this is how to open comments on your YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.